In real estate transactions, buyer clients are entitled to a higher level of service than buyer customers. Becoming a client typically involves signing a buyer representation agreement with a buyer's representative, who then owes you fiduciary duties. This means that your buyer's representative is expected to exercise discretion when acting on your behalf, including adhering to very specific responsibilities, obligations, and high standards of good faith and loyalty. For example, if you're a client, a buyer's representative will seek to negotiate the most favorable transaction terms for you and will not disclose any material facts about your situation that could hurt your negotiating position. If, however, you are only a customer, a buyer's representative may not be in a position to answer even basic questions such as why are they selling, or is this home priced competitively? So, if you are a customer, an agent will maintain loyalty to the seller's needs, not you, the buyer. They will tell the seller all that they know about you. They will keep information about the seller confidential. They will focus on the seller client's property. They will provide just the material facts, only provide price information that supports the seller's listing price. They will protect the seller and negotiate on behalf of the seller and not you, the buyer, and attempt to solve problems to the seller's advantage and satisfaction, not you, the buyer. If you are a client, your agent will pay full attention to your needs, tell you all that they know about the seller and the seller's property. Keep information about you confidential. Focus on choices that satisfy your needs. They will provide material facts as well as professional advice to you, the buyer. They will provide price counseling based on comparable properties and their professional insights. They will protect and guide you, not the seller, and negotiate on your behalf. And finally, they will attempt to solve problems to your advantage and satisfaction, not the seller's. As a reminder, an agent who has earned the Accredited Buyer's Representative ABR designation has made an extra effort to raise the bar with additional training and experience in serving you, the home buyer. If you work with an ABR, you can feel more confident that you'll receive the highest level of buyer representation services.